Oh, hush. Oh, hush, little baby, go down.
Oh, lay down. Get me out of here. I don't like it.
Don't let her out.
I don't like it. It's not.
High five.
This isn't even fun. This is just scary. I'm scared. There's no way out. Perhaps there's another opening. Also, I'm shitting your duvet. Here it goes. Let me out. Oh my god. Help. Please. What if I die?
You won't die.
Okay.
You look like a polar bear.
Freeze. Serena. I can't see.
You're doing this to yourself.
I can't breathe.
You're doing this to yourself.
You're the one who wanted to go in there in the first place.
What's up?
You're the one who's like, let's go to the duvet.
No, it was let's go in the duvet. No, let's go in the duvet and then let Allison get out and then trap Alessia. Oh my god, I'm all tangled. Like, I actually.
Really? Because that's what we heard.
Oh my god, I actually like I'm tangled right now.
It looks like there's like more than one person.
What is she doing?
Maybe you should let me run.
Looks like there's like 14 people in there.
Let it go. Ow, you bit me.
Okay, wait, let her out, let her out.
No. No.
Okay, let's come on out. Come on out.